from this game is the most important thing. With the squad that you was here, you know, Alonso coach and the Desmond of Fay and the boys, you know, Ebebo and Nhyira and I said now humate 2 a.m. and a game no Ebas Joe DNA expected because I think say after this game na me my DM say ebia ye call up no beba because they say umo we ya ebia other alternatives by now betumi nya de aka squad so mamintio with this game.
Yeah, Gabi, I agree with you when you say that right after this game no you better Ghana for squad I did call World Cup. I agree with that because when you have a high profile friendly said the Mexico bebo echnana you cannot make your squad list ahead of that game. Otherwise, it will nullify the effect of the game. So what you say?
Yeah,
you are going to play Mexico. That's number one. Number two, and you will call team Kobosa game. No, you are relying on a couple of local players, and other players are on their schedule. No, on we are free. Not forgetting the fact, say the European games are still going on. In fact, a number of leagues no munyan conclude your last games into the full complement of a Black Star squad no. But Gabi, I think one thing that would reduce the impact of the game, number one, and they say Carlos Queiroz will not be at the dugout. And to me, you know, when I analyze it from a certain angle, I am looking at it in the sense, say, one would have expected, say, for a coach who has come in on a very short-term notice, for a short-term period. Obey Blaster Sejuma for 4 months. And you don't have the luxury of time to do so much checks on the team before you name a squad for the World Cup. Everyone would have expected, say, in this game against Mexico, you would have been in the dugout, at least from the touchline, observing maybe about the game, in making your selection. But let me be quick to also mention, say, I think in my mind that the selection for the Black Star squad for the World Cup has already been done. That is how I'm thinking about it in my mind. Why am I thinking about it that way? Say it is very close between now and when we play even Wales game on 2nd June to quickly use the assessment of Mexico game to determine who should be included in that squad. Inti Obekaya Ahaya Mebeka say I would not be surprised that the squad that was called up for this Mexico game, most of them would be, if not all, most of them will be part of a 55-man squad. Then out of that, we would have fished out a number of players and say the person final 26 for the World Cup. But if what I'm thinking about may be wrong, Gabi, I am expecting, say, right after the Mexico game, the standout performers, especially the local players who are in the team, there will be a consideration for at least 1 or 2 or 3 of them to be included in the final squad. And I say, whoever would impress on the night in the game against Mexico,
okay,
at least we would have to see a number of them in the squad. Otherwise, there will be a lot of questions. Because imagine, say, Salim Adams in the game against Mexico performs so well, but because of what I've just said, say maybe the squad list has already been done. Yes, Salim Adams and World Cup nibi. Gabi Kawetiasi. It will become very controversial in the eyes of Ghanaians. Because already people are asking so many questions because of the peculiarities surrounding the situation that you find ourselves in as Ghana team at World Cup. So I would expect that if they are standout performers in the game against Mexico, there should be a case for them as to why they should be part of the 26-man squad for a World Cup. But another thing that I've seen online, me person me can want some kitwe and say, people are saying that when you have players like Majid Ashimeru and then a player like Felix Afenajan who have played for the Black Stars before and are making a comeback, so to speak. I was saying, why? Because this may be the time that they will justify their inclusion as to why they deserve to be part of the 26-man squad for the World Cup. Because Shafina Jana, he's playing for Ahmed Spor in Turkey. His numbers are not so good. In fact, we bought 35 matches, we shared 5 goals. People would have expected more from him. But when you look at the qualities and the fact that also a young talent are Orban, one would have said empower him. In the last World Cup, so many people were speaking for him, saying this time around, he may have a chance to prove his point in the game against Mexico. Although it's not, only so many games, it's just one game. But if he's able to perform, or if he shows signs of say, or a player that we can rely on, World Cup no, and also prepare him for AFCON no, and the qualifiers in 2027. And I agree so much with that.
Okay. Because
Obesha, the Black Stars will be transitioning into a different phase after the World Cup. And when I say the transition, no, it's not just with the squad. It's about the mentality. I have said on multiple occasions, say the World Cup that we are going to play in USA, Mexico, and Canada, no, let's use the performance there to determine where the Black Stars must go next, because 2027 AFCON is an AFCON that we should be targeting winning. We should target winning that AFCON. And if we are targeting winning the AFCON in 2027, it means whatever we will do at the World Cup, the people who are going to perform, the team's overall performance, the chemistry, the structure, we must see glimpses of a new Black Stars right from the World Cup.
So Yanyan said, China Yamna Yabawi.
Okay.
And ye benya the clear deeper view, then near go deeper than ye design common Eddie Atwaso. Ayala, Mammy Missa, minim sir, or the Blasters matches be as they are with my you can't say probable lineup. Any news or camp. Minim dear our camp I bet mini for yache.
Okay, first of all, Blaster squad, you submitting my FIFA as your provision squad. No, a lot of these guys on bubble game no.
Oh, okay.
And you combine a lot of these players with the main Blasters players now.
Of her, they will be
they are core members. BBA, KCBNC, they will make it to the World Cup. No? That is a combination we've sent as a provisional squad. And then you Emma, the technical team, the opportunity to know why Muna Omo make a strong case to join the core team.
Okay.
Number 2, there are some positions even with our strong team, still now a loopholes. And I will give you examples. The mutin team by power a right back. Say Blasters and said any right back be Calibre Yenchi. Going forward, they don't want him to be a right back. He's a midfielder. The guy has won the best player of the team in the league, playing as a midfielder. Until right back one, there's a huge tokro dawa. Omupo obidina show. And then ahomachi. Gabi, the Uber who say obo right back against Mexico. No. Say obobo niya write his name. Say World Cup no.
Oh, okay.
I can tell you on authority. Say and now much the obobo number 2, the friend number 2 Ghana. Say unya hu de obo no. Na obo oyini yam bobo ni na wo kwa ye commence akwai wa bobo pa. Chiro ni din say World Cup no ko. Now apart from that no, there are some positions here. Enka eba the core team na. Yeah, but there are no backups. And yes, so clear, sir. And in building the 26-man squad, no, they will need not just to find the first 11 from the 26-man squad, but a strong backup. Obia, like I say, where could the card, where a pra, where form for personal reasons. Yet me go ya warm up no be a pra on moboni bi. Ya won walk up kwa no bit me ti asem o fi o say o ama ne psychologically onye mentally onye good for the game. So we need they are looking at those little details now. Ebemo cemented the final 26-man squad no. And a lot of the reasons why they will be able to conclude on these decisions will come from the performance in the Mexico game. And okay, Sir Carlos Cruz and Ojina Benja. I think say the attitude of the players would have been different. So all the compensate a Desmond of extra
energy be cry.
You get it because he is the Blasters coach. Or by any because who play and go anymore on share will be other. It's imagine say onu afi the old coach you. Na old coach you we dey akoya less dey go work up. You understand?
Yeah.
Canon. And when we say Desmond of is the assistant coach. Or recommend be ma Carlos Cruz or Betty. But a different if it is Carlos Cruz nankasa mu. And all show first hand Gani the house any because Gani. And all my instruction say you say mama na me so betimi aya. Ye mama na me share. You get a difference.
Me go say be a player crowd na me boy we na me dia mama. I don't imagine him say oh coach bank me kope. Why we here till one man.
You chemu tan ya. There will be a little bit of difference. Say ya nya Carlos Cruz say Ojina bench ho no. But a good exercise. And as someone make a chat and say, you see, Gabi, whether you will make it to the squad or not, at the national team level, if you want to be consistent as a national team player, any opportunity be you take it. Ebia a fee and enkofo when nim position into Meko World Cup nejao. But the memories you give us today will forever be with us. Say maybe Drew. Near Sabo Dimbiama, focus. No ya dear crowd Mexico. Say the time is true. Aso diamo no. You get my point.
Yeah.
Don't joke with it. Never joke with any opportunity at the national team level. And me sure that was the reason why Mexico for enemy of us squad let a course in that was say wow man. Walk up on you free. You get it.
Yeah.
Then to tell them say look. Don't take any opportunity at the national team level for granted. Ebi a nekrana went to me and make it the squad. The impressions I will be creating a neno. Memories I will be my neno. Every month debi ebe kaiwo. Say ye mau opportunity na etimi ekobama enti you watch. Eya homachi to the but ye best see alarm. You watch. You can't any excuse. You have to watch.
And then
until you watch the game.
Until then, I'm saying na you
watch the game and you ask Ghanaians to also watch it.
Obe we in the amam nam dia fa course no prekwana.